Options expiration week can sometimes sneak up on you, and a lot of traders aren't aware of the risks. So in this video, I'll walk you through some of the risks, how to handle it, and what you need to do to protect yourself. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder that everything discussed is for educational purposes only, is general in nature, and does not take into account your personal circumstances. So why is it important that we monitor and are aware of the risks around expiration week? Well, certain things happen. Number one is time decay accelerates. That's great if you're an options seller, but it also comes with risks. And one of those risks is your gamma risk. And some traders, particularly retail traders, are not even going to be aware of what gamma risk is. So today we're going to show you exactly what it is and how it can hurt your positions. There's also increased assignment risk, so we'll talk about that. And there's pin risk as well. The last week of an options life is sometimes called gamma week because there's a lot of gamma risk, and that's basically just your price risk. What can happen in that last week? Small changes in the stock price can actually have a big impact on your P&L. So gamma is highest as we get close to expiration, and it's also highest for at-the-money options. And traders often underestimate just how fast their P&L can change when they've got high gamma. The third risk is pin risk, and stocks will often pin popular strikes on that expiration Friday, which again can cause unexpected assignments if your options have gone in the money. So as a general rule of thumb, it's really important to avoid that last week of an options life, particularly if you're an options seller. Start thinking about closing those trades out around 7 to 14 DTE. So for me, if I'm starting a trade, usually it's going to be anywhere from 30 to 45 or even 60 DTE. Once it gets down to about 7 to 14 DTE, I'm definitely looking to exit that trade just to reduce that gamma risk and also the assignment risk. So a couple of ways to handle expiration week. First and foremost, close positions early. Don't even take them into expiration. That way you're going to avoid all of this expiration risk and the gamma risk. Number two is roll trades out in time. Once you get down to that 7 DTE range, if you want to maintain the exposure, think about rolling out to the next week or even the next month. And finally, use defined risk spreads. That's going to really limit your risk as opposed to naked options. Now, the exception, of course, might be if you're doing a cash secured put and you actually want to take ownership of the stock if it's gone through your strike price. As a final takeaway, just remember that expiration week can be brutal if you're not prepared. And some of the biggest losses that I've seen occur come in that last week of an options life. Manage your positions early, take a reduced profit target, and don't try to squeeze every last bit of premium out of a trade. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think. Reach out anytime with questions and have a great day.